Hey, Nick here from CredoSeal.com. I got myself a little palm sander that I'm going to use to do some resurfacing of these shelves and a couple bookshelves for my wife. So let's check this thing out. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. So how you load the paper in here, you pop these little clamps, pop these, that opens up this clamp right there. We will insert the paper. So this comes with it. Pop this on. And then remove it. This creates holes for the dust to get sucked into the vacuum system. Not that it's gonna be some magnificent vacuum system, I'm not expecting much, but it should cut down a little bit on the dust that's created. This thing captured a lot more of the dust than I thought it would. After using this, I really like this Makita palm sander. It worked out really well for like lighter sanding and finish work. I was a little skeptical about the way that it loads instead of doing like the Velcro pads, but actually it loads pretty fast after you get the hang of it down. A couple sheets in, and then it was taking them on and off really quickly. And you get 4 pads out of 1 standard sheet of sandpaper, which is very convenient. So all in all, I really like this, and I would recommend this Makita.